yourselves, 8th grade science class. I hope you had a beautiful weekend as I have. And we need to recap. We have to recap every time. We have to go back over what we talked about. Okay? So the first time when we talked about 8.5a, we talked about protons, neutrons, and electrons, which are the subatomic particles. And you all did so great on those that I know you're going to do even better when we get to the rest of 8.5b. Okay? So if you remember protons, electrons, and neutrons, you have to remember the location. You have to remember the charge, whether they're positive, negative, or neutral. And then you have to remember the mass, whether it's one or nothing. Okay? Also, when we had our different elements that we picked off of the periodic table, we had to do 8-man. And remember, APE, all of these are equal. The atomic number, the protons, the electrons. Just like we use this one, about it being all the way equal, 13, 13, 13, they're all equal because of the atomic number. And then man, in order to get our neutrons, we have to subtract the atomic number from the mass in order to get the neutrons. That's why we took the atomic number, rounded it up because it was 5 or more, raised the score, 4 or less, let it rest. And we rounded it up to 27, subtracted 30, and we have 14, okay? So, without further ado, let me tell you what we're gonna do today. We are going to talk about the element's identity. So, like, who are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What's the identity of the element, okay? So, we're gonna do that today. Stay tuned.